Okay, 11.6 questions. Again, we're in chapter 11, section 6. And I'm seeing the first is solve the system. That's 3 equations. By the way, I realize some people are saying A, B, and C are not known. They're parameters in the problems. The unknowns over here are X, Y, and Z. That's like sort of traditional that we use these lowercase alphabetical letters as being parameters and the variables towards the end of the alphabet. All right. The other one, number 2, is they say, take a break and solve this. And they say X is a complex number, all right? So, A plus BI form. So number 3, again, looking at it, it's a reading problem, and they're saying that, A is into 3 parts. The first shall be 1 to the second, and 1 It's a tough read, by the way. It says the 3 parts in terms of A, M, and N, all right? But I'm gonna say doable, actually doable. If you understand what you read, it's doable. Number 4, more difficult question. I'll tell you the number 1 reason why. There's a trigonometric thing on the left side and algebraic on the right side. And what they're asking is how many real numbers satisfy that. And I'm going to say it's a visual problem, all right? It's also multiple choice, by the way, all right? Might be tricky. This one's solve for X. Again, it looks pretty difficult. There's a parameter in it. So the solution's going to have something to do with an A in it. All right, let's go back over to solutions over here. I provide solutions for you, and the solutions are written up for you. There's also videos on the side, which is very consistent with the problems that we've been giving you. Right, tough problem though. At least I thought so. Number 2, I noticed I just got an answer down over here, but again, there's a video solution over here that might help you out with that. Number 3, there is a video solution. Let's see if there's any work over here. Yeah, a lot of work. All right, I put that work down there for you. All right, number 4, again, a video solution over here, and there will be an answer. The answer is D, and I go through that work for you, all right? So the problem with this one over here is, maybe trying to do it yourself, but if you can't do it yourself, try to read through this and make sense out of what you're reading. I also provide a graph for you, and that's figure 33 on page 740. And also provide a second graph for you, figure 134 on page 740, all right? And those graphs are over here. Now someone says, why do you provide 2 graphs? The number 1 reason I provide 2 graphs, by the way, is looking at these guys over here, and you can zoom in on these pictures, by the way. So for example, if I were looking at this thing over here and I wanted to zoom into this thing, you could zoom into that, all right? The problem is, I look at this over here and I definitely see 2 points there, I see 1 point over there, but then I kind of wonder about what I see over here, right? I'm really wondering about that. And the question about wondering about that, what does I do is zoom into that area, and I'm no longer wondering about that. I see what's happening over here, right? And that's kind of critical for me, that I got these tools that allow me to visualize. Again, if this was a competitive exam, you don't have those tools that you're available to you. The reason being, they're mostly just paper and pencil. No calculators are being used. All right, and I think that pretty much covers it out. And I think we're just talking about the answer key for you. Let me just scroll through that. Yeah, it's tough. I do put some Sage code down for you, though, and that's fine. All right, thank you.